Vinci Academy. Vinci Academy is a co-educational secondary school located in Derby, Derbyshire, England. The school originally opened in 1988 as Highview Community Education Centre. It also became known as Highview School and Technology Centre and Highview Technology Centre. The school was formally closed and replaced by Vinci Community College in September 2004 and moved into new buildings in 2006. In January 2012, the school became a cooperative owned by the school's pupils, parents, teachers, and the community. As a foundation school, Vinci Community College was administered by Derby City Council, the University of Derby, Derby College, the Workers' Educational Association, and the Midlands Cooperative Society. In May 2017, Vinci Community School converted to academy status and was renamed Vinci Academy. The school is now sponsored by the Lead Academy Trust.